Finelo review. Is it worth it? In today's video, guys, I'm going to go ahead and we are going to go ahead and learn if Finelo is really worth it to use for you. Alright guys, so basically what is Finelo? Well, Finelo is an online and app-based educational platform designed to teach users about investing and trading. It offers structured learning paths covering topics like crypto basics, stock trading, and passive income strategies. The platform combines comprehensive educational content with a real-time simulated trading tool, allowing users to practice strategies without any of the financial risk. So it's basically like trading, but without real money. You can actually use some, well, someone would call play money. So what is its key features? As you would see, we're currently on its website right now, and as you would go through here, you would see that you have everything related to investing, trading cryptocurrency, and having passive income for you. We also have its reviews, and if you want to go ahead and use Finelo, you could go ahead and log on to your account and answer their quick quiz. But essentially, their key features is one of the best structured learning paths. Finelo provides over 270 hours of educational content across various investment topics, catering to both beginners and also advanced learners. It also has simulated trading platforms. Users can practice trading strategies in a risk-free environment using virtual currency, which helps in building confidence before engaging in real-world trading. And lastly, it has a very user-friendly interface. The app is designed to be intuitive, making navigation and learning seamless. So you may ask me now, what are its pros and cons? Well, one of its pros is it's obviously beginner-friendly, since it does take the average user or someone who doesn't know what trading is and turn them into someone who is a full-fledged trader. It also has risk-free practice, as the trading simulator allows users to practice strategies without any of the financial risk. Lastly, of its pros is its comprehensive content. It actually offers a wide range of topics from crypto basics to passive income strategies. But those pros does come with some of those cons. And one of those cons is it's actually subscription-based. Well, access to courses requires a subscription fee, which may not suit everyone. It also has limited advanced content. Now, while great for beginners, it may lack depth for more experienced investors. And lastly, one of its cons is it has automatic renewals. Some users have reported the trial period roll into paid subscriptions without any clear notifications, so it's essential to read the terms carefully and also set a timer whenever your free trial is going to end. Now, in conclusion, Finelo offers a solid foundation for those looking to delve into the world of investing, especially those beginners. It combines the structured lessons and simulated trading environment, which actually provides a comprehensive learning experience. However, you should be mindful of the subscription model and ensure it aligns with your learning goals and budget. If you're serious about building your investment knowledge, Finelo could be a valuable source. Now, of course, if you want to go ahead and use Finelo, I do have links to this in the description box down below. Go ahead and tap on that link so that you can get started on your trading and investing journey towards passive income. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.